Now let's look at comparison operators in detail. So far we have used only equal to and greater than operators in if-else statements. These operators are used to compare two values. Here is the list of all comparison operators which we can use. These are equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. Let's understand these operators one by one by taking an example. We will compare two variables a and b having 10 and 15 values respectively. So if we write print a is equal to b, the condition says 10 is equal to 15, which is false. So the print will show false on the console. Next, if we write a is not equal to b, so the comparison will be 10 is not equal to 15, which is true. So the condition is true. The print will give output true on the console. If we write a is greater than b, 10 is greater than 15 is false. Now if we write a is less than b, now this comparison is true because 10 is less than 15. So it will print true on the console. Next, we have a compound condition. We can read it like a is greater than or equal to b. Now if one of the conditions is true, the whole compound condition will be true. Let's look at the first condition, which is a is greater than b. 10 is greater than 15 is false. Now let's look at the second subcondition, which is a is equal to b. 10 is not equal to 15. So the second condition a is equal to b is also false. So both the conditions are false. The whole a is greater than or equal to b will be false. Next, we have a is less than or equal to b. Now the first subcondition a is less than b is true because 10 is less than 15. Now whether the second condition is true or false, that's not our concern. If just one subcondition of this whole compound condition is true, the whole condition will be true. So it will print true on the console. Now let's do a little assignment to see if you really understood comparison operators and conditions. Please tell the output of this if-else condition. First try to solve in your mind, then you can write it in editor to verify your answer.